friends and viewers, we're back here again with another video. What's up y'all, it's me Serena. For those who are newer, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. We're going to play Cheddar Point. Is this Cheddar Point Theme Park? Something like that. Wala ba? Excited. So, we're going to explore this main midway, Cheddar Point. Wait. Ooh. So, paano natin sasakyan yan? May bayad ba yan? My God, don't tell me, magbabayad pa tayo, ha? Magbabayad pa tayo. Oh my God. EK siya. So, yan. Ay, dito muna tayo sa close? Close yung fire? Bagay, gabi na. Wow. Oh, we can try someone. Nice. Gatekeeper. Oh, something like EK, mga ganun pala. Midway. Ano tayo mag-rides? Ice cream parlor. Bye. Max chill day dogs. Burgers, french fries, and onions. Okay. So, kunyan. Try natin to. Wait lang. Doon pala muna. Ala, bawal tayo sa... Bakit? Aww. Very sorry for your comments, but this is very true. For the season as it is. Aww. Maintenance yung lugar. Ginagawa pala. So, ang gagawin natin, mag-explore na lang tayo. Pero hindi pa tayo maka-rides. Masaya pa naman. Mukhang masaya siyang sakyan. Tapos yung bigla na lang tayong tatalsik. Alam niyo yun? Yes, we're actually correct, chat. We're actually correct. Sayang. Ayun, nasa naman since gabi. So, walang rides. Pero, since it said na the server itself has maintenance, so, yeah. Obvious naman. Okay. So, medyo malaki-laki siya. Gusto ko siya i-try. Ang laki-laki ng theme park. Uy. Ang masaya yan. Alam mo, yung mga rides sa EK, kahit sabihin natin yung matatakas, hindi ko siya kayang i-ride. Siguro sa laro, gusto ko siyang i-ride kasi yung character may mga ka-experience, hindi ikaw yung mismo. Yung character pa yung mag-enjoy. Sarap. Pero dito, ang Carseway, hindi siya ang course eh. Vlog siya, vlog. Nag-re-reset siya, kung i-ride. No, it's actually totally blocked. So, we can... So, they have food court. Sure. So, masaya to. Wow, that's too high. Okay. So, yun lang yan. Mag-open. Madami tao. Wait, may movie. Nakita nyo din ba yun? Parang may Uy! Ay, nag-umaga pala. But actually, it says naman, server itself, bare maintenance. So, hindi talaga makakasakay. Ah! Hindi siya makapasok ko. Kasi nga, yung server under maintenance. Okay, so, have you explored it naman? So, I think that's it for the videos. So, I hope you enjoyed our video, guys. Kahit wala tayong masyadong nasakyan na rides kasi ayun nga, under maintenance yung server. So they're trying to fix some chuchunes dito sa lugar na to. So thank you for watching, everyone.